Here I have ALCATEL1, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So firstly you have to select the preferred language. I'll just stay with English, then tap start. Then you can connect to the mobile network by inserting SIM card, but you can just skip this step and insert SIM card later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but you can also set up device offline and connect to the Wi-Fi later. Then you have to set up date and time, I guess. Then you have Google services. I suggest you disable all these services because they are useless. They only steal your data, but in any case you have to accept Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Then you can set up screen lock, but you can also do this later in settings, or just don't do this at all and skip this step for now. Then select home screen style. You can select home and drawer screen, home screen only. I'll select drawer and setup complete. Okay, so then you have to agree with privacy policy in terms of use. Then tap skip, and your ALCATEL is ready to be used. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.